Sadhguru Ravdas Maharaj Ji says, what would it matter if my body were cut into pieces? Sadhguru Ravdas Maharaj Ji is going to tell us, God needs your true love. He doesn't want your money, your materials, your offerings. He needs and He wants your true love. Jin prem kiyo tinihi prabhu paaye. And it doesn't matter if the body was cut into pieces. Sadhguru Ravdas Maharaj Ji says, kahan payo jo tan payo chin chin. What would it matter if my body were cut into pieces? Prem jaye to dar pe tero jan. If I were to lose your love, Lord, then your humble servant would be afraid. It doesn't matter. I am cut into pieces. It doesn't matter. But it matters if I lose your true love.